that public transportation should be free. And personally, I think that it should be free because it will enhance our transportation system, and those people who cannot afford this and who are struggling financially, are jobless, etc., can easily have some ways of traveling to other cities or other places. So it would help managing their budget, and also it would promote the tourism, and it would increase the development of the public transportation system, which would increase our GDP at last.
Yes, so according to my opinion, I know that you are also want to that public transportation should be free. Let's start. So my point that is, it's first thing that it reduce the trafficking, and as you know that in our India or in our Delhi system has many traffic, because in the highway, in the roads, there is always traffic, or because of that the pollution is going on by the trafficking, or by the should be not free. But if we should public transport should be free, so that types of problems go outside, and everyone forget to buy the cars or their personal vehicles, so they afford the public transportation. So because of that, less pollution, they because you all know that in the buses that CNG gases uses more, so because of that our environmental sustainable development go very high, and you all know that in our oxygen system has a 21% of oxygen, or now after some time if we use the public transport should be free, so it can be go 23% or 24%. Thank you.
So if the public transport should be free, so there will be if the public transport should be not be free, so there will be environmental benefit. But if it will be free, so there will be environmental and benefits, and there are. If the public transport should be not free, so the most of the people will buy their cars and their private cars. So by that there will be too much pollution that can harm us also, and that can harm the environment also.